Have you ever wondered how a hydraulic press works? What might seem like a simple machine actually works on the basis of some fascinating physics principles. Let's dive into the world of hydraulics and understand the mechanism behind these powerful machines. A hydraulic press consists primarily of two cylinders, each housing a piston. Think of these as the heart of the machine. The smaller of the two cylinders is known as the master cylinder, while the larger one is the slave cylinder. Both these cylinders are filled with a special type of fluid known as hydraulic fluid. Now here's where the magic starts. When a force is applied to the smaller piston, the one in the master cylinder, it creates pressure in the hydraulic fluid. This pressure is then transmitted equally throughout the fluid. This is a direct application of Pascal's principle, which states that when pressure is applied to a confined fluid, it is transmitted equally in all directions. But how does this result in the enormous crushing power of a hydraulic press? Well, this is where the concept of force multiplication comes into play. The area of the larger piston, the one in the slave cylinder, is greater than the area of the smaller piston. Hence, the force applied on the larger piston gets proportionally increased. This is the force multiplication effect, which gives a hydraulic press its impressive power. The applications of a hydraulic press are vast. It's used in various tasks such as metal forming, straightening, stamping, and molding. For instance, in metal forming, a workpiece is placed between the two pistons. As the pressure is applied, the metal is shaped as required. What's more, the pressure and force applied can be controlled with precision by adjusting the hydraulic fluid flow or pressure. This is what makes hydraulic presses so versatile and useful in various industrial applications. Like any powerful machine, a hydraulic press also comes with safety features. These include emergency stop buttons and pressure relief valves to ensure safe operation and to prevent any potential mishaps. In essence, the working of a hydraulic press is a beautiful dance of physics principles. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness the laws of nature to create powerful and versatile machines. By understanding the basic principle of hydraulic transmission of force, we can appreciate the effectiveness of a hydraulic press for various applications in manufacturing and metalworking.